Our ethical hacking course is live now, and if you want to download your certificate, you have to go to the website of SSSAMacademy.com and select the certificate option on top of your website. There, you will see apply certificate option and you have to click on it. After clicking on it, you have to fill all the informations like your full name, phone number, email, date of birth, address, course, certificate type and duration, and then you have to apply for the certificate. When you have submitted your application successfully, your application ID will be available. After this step, you have to go to the option of checking your application status under the certificate option. You have to enter your application ID and check your application status. It may take up to 48 hours to get your application status approved. After your application status is approved, you will get your certificate number available to you. You will have to enter your certificate number in your download certificate option and enter your date of birth. Click on download certificate. Your certificate for ethical hacking course will be downloaded for you.